Welcome to Review Lab. The best barn door locks is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial elements for both privacy and security in modern homes, transforming a stylish sliding door into a truly functional barrier, offering peace of mind whether you're securing a pantry, bathroom, or even a home office, ensuring your personal space remains truly yours with a simple, elegant mechanism that complements your decor. Number 5. 4-inch barn door latch door lock, 2-pack. Crafted from high-quality, selected metal, this latch is designed for exceptional durability. It effectively resists rust and maintains its shape for years, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze with its simple hook and lock design. It comes complete with all necessary screws, allowing you to secure your space in no time with just one step to open and close. This latch acts as a reliable preventer, keeping children and pets safely inside. It also secures your doors against strong winds, providing peace of mind and essential privacy. Its versatile design makes it perfect for a wide range of uses, from cabinet and barn doors to sliding and pocket doors. You can install it on shutters, closets, fences, and garages, offering a cost-effective solution for most places. Each package includes 2 durable latches and 10 screws, meeting your daily security and privacy needs. If you encounter any issues, simply contact us for dedicated support. What we like. This lock offers exceptional durability with its rust-resistant metal construction, ensuring it stands the test of time. Its simple hook and lock design makes installation incredibly easy, providing security in no time. If you're looking for a straightforward, long-lasting, and cost-effective solution for multiple doors, this 2-pack is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Sliding barn door lock stainless steel black. Do you need to secure your personal spaces? This innovative lock provides the perfect solution for various doors and cabinets. It ensures your privacy and peace of mind. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this lock is designed for ultimate durability. Its multi-layer polished surface resists corrosion, rust, and discoloration, ensuring long-term reliability. Unlike standard locks, this one offers unparalleled versatility. It can be mounted at flat or right angles, and its 360 degrees rotatable latch adapts to any space between your door and wall. Install it on either the left or right side with ease. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting screws. You only need a screwdriver to secure it to wood or other flat surfaces. Just ensure the correct rotation card distance for proper function. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from bedrooms and bathrooms to garages and wine cabinets. This lock is ideal for most doors and cabinets, helping you save and organize space efficiently. Rest assured knowing your space is secure. This lock prevents accidental intrusions, safeguarding your privacy effectively. It's specifically designed for right-angle doors to give you the solitude you deserve. What we like. Crafted from reliable stainless steel, this lock is built to resist corrosion, rust, and discoloration for lasting performance. Unlike many others, it can be mounted at various angles, including flat or right angles, thanks to its 360-degree rotating latch. If you have unique door configurations or need a highly adaptable and durable lock for diverse spaces, this one offers superior flexibility. What people say. This lock is very sturdy and well-made, providing a secure closure for barn doors. The design allows for easy installation on both sides of the door, offering versatile use. It features a smooth locking mechanism that operates quietly and efficiently. Number 3. Lamefoy's Flip Sliding Barn Door Lock. Need reliable privacy for your barn doors, bathrooms, or pet areas? This innovative lock provides the perfect solution. It ensures your spaces remain secure and undisturbed. Designed to prevent accidental unlocking, it stays secure even with force applied. Yet, you can quickly open it when needed. Say goodbye to little annoyances from kids or pets. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this latch is incredibly strong and smooth. It features a rust-resistant coating, protecting it from daily scratches and corrosion. You can trust its durability. Its 360-degree rotatable design allows installation on either side of your door. This makes it perfect for various uses, from cabinets and sliding doors to garden gates and chicken coops. It truly fits everywhere. Forget complicated measurements or spacing issues. Unlike other locks, this one is incredibly easy to install. Just tighten 4 mounting screws with a screwdriver, and it's ready to go. If you're seeking a high-quality, dependable barn door latch, look no further. This product is the secure and convenient solution you've been searching for. Experience peace of mind with it. What we like. This lock features a unique hook design that prevents accidental unlocking from force, while still allowing quick and easy access when needed. Made from high-quality carbon steel with a rust-resistant coating, it's both sturdy and sleek. If you're looking for a secure lock that reliably keeps kids or pets contained and is easy to install on either side, this option provides peace of mind. What people say. The lock provides a secure closure for barn doors, ensuring privacy and safety. Its robust design allows for easy installation on various door types and orientations. Number 2. 90-degree heavy-duty barn door lock hardware. Introducing our 90-degree heavy-duty barn door lock hardware. This versatile hardware is designed to provide robust security for various doors in your home or office. Crafted from durable zinc alloy with a sleek matte black finish, it's built for longevity. This lock is corrosion-resistant, ensuring reliability and performance for years to come. Never fumble in the dark again. It features a unique luminous mode, allowing you to easily locate the lock at night after absorbing sunlight during the day. Enjoy peace of mind with enhanced privacy. This specially designed lock prevents accidental intrusions, safeguarding your personal space effectively. Installation is a breeze, suitable for both left and right-hand doors. Just follow the clear steps to secure it, making it incredibly user-friendly. Its heavy-duty design makes it perfect for a wide range of applications. Use it on bedrooms, bathrooms, garages, gardens, cabinets, and more, for all your wooden doors. What we like. What truly sets this lock apart is its innovative night light mode, allowing you to easily locate it in the dark after absorbing sunlight during the day. Constructed from heavy-duty zinc alloy with a matte black finish, it's designed for exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. If you value both robust security and practical visibility in low-light conditions, this 90-degree latch is an excellent choice for your home or outdoor spaces. What people say. Number 1. Black sliding barn door lock hardware. Introducing our innovative barn door lock hardware. This versatile lock offers both 90 and 180-degree mounting options, providing flexible installation for various spaces. It adapts to your needs. It's ideal for family bedrooms, bathrooms, gates, sheds, and even garages. You can use it on windows, cabinets, and of course, barn doors, enhancing security wherever needed. Crafted from robust zinc alloy, this flip latch lock features a multi-layer polished surface. This ensures it resists corrosion, rust, and discoloration, guaranteeing long-lasting reliability and performance. It comes with a 2.5 mm thick aluminum alloy spacer, perfect for uneven door and frame surfaces. This allows for a flush and secure fit, even with gaps up to 5 mm, ensuring proper function. This lock provides an essential safety measure for your home. It helps prevent unwanted entry and keeps your little ones and pets safely inside, offering you peace of mind. Installation is straightforward, simply punch holes, mark positions, and secure it with the included quality screws. Its design ensures a firm and lasting installation with minimal effort. What we like. This lock offers exceptional versatility, allowing installation at both 90 and 180-degree angles for maximum space saving and adaptability. Its heavy-duty zinc alloy construction ensures long-lasting reliability and resistance to wear. If you have uneven door and frame surfaces, the included 2.5 mm spacer makes installation seamless, providing extra security and peace of mind for various door types. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.